to charge your Redmi Note 14s, let me quickly tell you how you can do this. Like basically you can charge your phone using the cable which comes included with your phone, which is the USB Type-C Type A cable. Basically it needs to be the at least Type-C cable, so you can plug it into your phone to charge it. And if you want to plug it, if you wonder for what source of power, you can plug your phone. It can be any type of power, like the computer, for example, the USB port on your computer. You can plug it into your laptop, it will also charge your phone. You can plug it into any power bank, and also you can use any charging adapter for your phone. It doesn't have to be the original charging adapter from Xiaomi. Like you can use it, you can charge your phone with the charging adapter by Samsung or by JBL, for example. It doesn't matter. The only requirement you need to fulfill for the charging adapter is it needs to have at least 10 watts, so it will be charging your phone actually good. I don't recommend you to use less than 10 watt charging adapter, but if you are willing to use more than 50 watts charging adapter, like for example 100 watt charging adapter, there will be no issue with charging your phone with such an adapter, since like the phone and the charging adapter will negotiate the charging speed, so you can charge your phone with more higher wattage right here. So that's basically it. That's how you can charge Redmi Note 14s.